Okay, so what I'm going to do is, this is the x-axis, the one that was burned out, and I'm going to pop this off of there because that goes to controller, servo controller number 1. And I'm just going to X, Y, Z. I'm going to take this one that we just used, pop it off of there, and put it onto there. So now the step and direction signals are being supplied from the x-axis on the Masso controller. So if I come up here, turn this over to the x-axis, which is what it's on now, and you can see if I go clockwise, oops, sorry, I forgot to press the button. If I go clockwise, the servo spins in this direction. If I go counterclockwise, the servo still spins in that same direction. Clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. So I think there's an issue with the direction signal off of the Masso controller in the repaired section.